Welcome back to my channel, Learning Spanish with Words. Today I'm looking at English words beginning with S converted to Spanish. We've got a lot to get through, so let's get going. Sailboat Velero, Velero. Soap, jabón, jabón. Swim, nadar, nadar. Songs, canciones, canciones. Send, enviar, enviar. Start, empiezo or comienzo, empiezo or comienzo. Strong, fuerte, fuerte. Scary, aterradora, aterradora. Suddenly, de repente, de repente. Suit, traje, traje. See, mar, mar. You'll often see that when you go on holiday. Levet de mar, levet by the sea. Slowly, lentamente, lentamente. Services, servicios, servicios. Science classes, clase de ciencias, clase de ciencias. Schedule, horario, horario. Spills, derrama, derrama. Shirt, camisa, camisa. Shouting, gritando, gritando. Snowing, nevando, nevando. The same, igual, igual. So, así que, así que. Step, paso, paso. Stay, I stay, quedo, quedo. Simple, sencilla, sencilla. Success, éxito, éxito. Stewardess, azafata, azafata. Steward, azafato, azafato. Now here's where it gets interesting, because there is a temptation to use mayordomo, mayordomo as a airline steward, but that would be a mistake, because a mayordomo or mayordomo is a butler or a house steward, not an airline steward. So when you're on a plane going to your holiday, or on business and you want a stewardess, you ask for an azafata, or a steward and azafato. But if you're at a country house and you want the butler, you ask for the mayordomo. Mayordomo. Sister-in-law. Cuñada. Cuñada. Strawberry. Fresa. Fresa. Suburbs. Afueras. Afueras. Sweater. Suéter. Suéter. Sail. Oferta. Oferta. Scissors. Tijeras. Tijeras. Spaghetti. Los espaguetas. Los espaguetas. Stories. Historias. Historias. Send. Enviar. Enviar. Solved. Resolver. Resolver. Or solucionar. Solucionar. System. Sistema. Sistema. Seal, as in the seal you will find near the ocean, the animal. Foca. Foca. Or a door seal is a cellar. Cellar. Serious. Grave. Grave. Surgeon. Cirujano. Cirujano. Size. El tamaño. El tamaño. Square. Cuadrados. Cuadrados. Shell. Concha. Concha. Surrounded. Rodeado. Rodeado. Smoke. Humo. Humo. Safe, in the context of a state of being and not a place where you keep money, there are two words, salvo or seguro. Salvo is where you have escaped danger. Estamos a salvo, we're safe. Llegamos a salvo, we arrived safely. Or there is seguro, so that is, again, that's benign. Estoy seguro, I'm sure. Estoy segura de la respuesta. I'm sure of the answer. So anything with an element of danger is salvo for safe, or benign is seguro, safe. To stop is either parar or detener. So parar is used for everyday benign uses. Voy a parar el video. I'm going to stop the video. Or el autobús para aquí. The bus stops here. Or if it's in a serious context, to stop somebody from doing something, detuvieron el proyecto. They halted the project. They stopped the criminal, so they detener, or tenemos que detener la fuga de agua. We need to halt the water leak. So anything that is strong for stop is detener, or normal stop is parar. Well, that's it for the moment. That's English words beginning with S converted to Spanish. There is a very long list here, so I've had to split it up, and we will be doing some more S's next time. Thanks for watching and listening. Please subscribe and like, and give us a thumbs up. Hasta luego.